What's up, guys? So we are reviewing Etsy stores, international Etsy stores, and going through what they're doing really well, what they could improve on, and then the things they can do to radically increase their sales over time with some simple moves there. So we're looking at Makers North, 3D printing, laser engraving, digital maker, cool. St. John's, Canada, Canadian. Okay, logo, lighthouse, fine. Header, moose, great. That's good theme for it all. I would recommend putting your website or your socials in the header so people can find them because Etsy doesn't really put them in the descriptions. So you can put them in there. Good performance, star seller. What are your most popular items right now? Okay, so right now you have, shower hangers and stuff. Okay, let's see here. Good deal. Excellent. How many? 37 sales. Good job. Congratulations. That's really good for a start. Okay, the items we've got, shower hangers, accessories, kind of for the kitchen and that kind of stuff. Ooh, what is this Serial Sanity? I want to look at this. What is this thing? I don't even know what this gadget is. Only 6 left. Okay. A cereal strain. Wait, what does this do? This is cool. Without the mess. Cereal strainer. Why do you want to strain cereal? Well, okay. Okay, so it is literally for draining the milk. Oh, it's for draining the milk and then you can chuck the rest of it. I kept on thinking that they were like storing the cereal, and I was just like, so odd. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's see. Overall, looking very good. Product photography is excellent. Like this in setting kind of stuff is really, really good. Obviously, you show other uses for it. You might be able to use other keywords on it to give it a little bit more information. And you don't even want to put 3D printed into the title. It's not really necessary. So long as it's honestly presented, you don't need to put 3D printing in there. Make sure you show photos of what it is. But US shipping only, that's fair. Okay, let's see. What else? Very good photography. Do make sure, well, how's this look out here? Do make sure that your photos square up appropriately. And it looks like you're doing that pretty well. All of these, I can see the item when I look at them, and you have videos for everything. Well, videos for everything but that. This is one that could really benefit from a video. You want to use videos because Etsy will advertise your stuff through TikTok and that kind of thing. And so if you don't have a video, they can't advertise it there. But you want to have a video on each one of your listings if at all possible. And this is something that is really, really demonstrable. So it's easy to shoot just with a cell phone video, and that's okay. But the title is good. Good information inside of there. Description, good detailed description, all that kind of stuff. Let's see here. What else? Photos, thumbnails look good. They show what the thing is, what it can do. Okay, good stuff. Good diversity of products, but yeah, the shower hangers seem to be the prominent, and kind of kitchen accessories. Good deal. Pricing seems to be good. A few of them are on sale, a few of them aren't. Sales can be really, really useful because sales not only put a thing on sale, but sales can be used to notify your followers of when an item is available. So like they might have liked the item in the past sometime, and then when you run a sale, they're notified of that sale, which reminds them of that item. And they're like, oh, I am close to that guy's birthday. I should get that right now. So sales are a good way to send out kind of an email ping to everybody. So they're a good thing to be used as often as possible. But reviews seem to be doing well. Product photography, good. Layout of it is good. You have a good focus as far as these items that are being sent. Good deal. Is there anything else? Excellent customer support there and all. Okay, how could you increase sales? Currently you have 15 items. I would generally recommend about 20 items or so. That seems to be kind of a magic number where Etsy will start pushing your items more often. Do make sure that you're using Etsy ads. Budget for it, make sure that's all available, but use Etsy ads because they do work. They put you right at the top of the search listings. And these are a type of item that people are looking for, but could also be pushed to a certain push towards certain keywords if they were advertised. So that is something to do as well. Make sure you're doing advertising. The other thing I look at is always free shipping. Do we have free shipping? Cost to ship. I generally recommend integrating the cost of shipping into the price of the item itself. This way, again, your items bump up to the top of search results, and you're able to do something, and you're able to get more competitive in that regard. If you charge for shipping, Etsy actually deprecates it a little bit. So anytime you can do free shipping, you want to do free shipping. So instead of charging, what are you charging, $19 for this? Charge like 25 and just put the shipping into it. And that is generally fine. For an item like this, that's not a big deal, and you reduce the amount of decision making that the person has to have. Because when you charge for shipping, the person has to decide to purchase the item, and then they have to decide to pay for the shipping for it too. If they just decide to purchase the item, then they convert more quickly and you get more sales. So those are a couple kind of tricks that you can use to increase the sales there. But yeah, overall, very good product photography, good demos. Make sure you have videos on everything. And then just make sure to maybe put your website URL in here if you have an external site or any socials. And then make sure you're using advertising and anything else you can do there to improve it. But beyond that, this seems like a pretty good store. And you're doing well so far, so congratulations there. But beyond that, yeah, make sure that if you can, try to get to the free shipping and make sure you're running ads. And that will radically improve your sales, especially right now when we're going into Christmas, when it's really important to have those sales.